Hello. In today's video, I want to change the upholstery on these 4 chairs that are going to go into the living room of Windemere doll's house. So you can see that the fabric, the red, is the original. It's not even a fabric, it's some kind of fake paper material, and all 4 of the chairs were like that. And I was thinking that I could probably cover them and make them a little bit nicer. So the room that they're going to go into is the living room in Windemere dollhouse, and there's a red wallpaper in there. So I was thinking, what fabric do I have that would go well with a red wallpaper? So green and red are complementary colors, so I thought, let me see if I have anything green. And I did. I had this large amount of fabric, so I tore some strips of it, and then I cut the strips, and then I laid it on the first chair, and I thought that that really looks nice. So what I'm going to do, I don't really want to harm the chairs and keep them original. So I'm just going to put a little piece of glue underneath and then put the 2 pieces of green fabric together, and that should hold it. Even this one is not even glued and it's staying on. And that way, if I decide to take the fabric off, I can just clip it off with the scissors and it'll be back to the way it was, or if I want to change the fabric. So I don't know what you think, but I think it's an easy fix. And leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.